Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the exhibition on 1965 war organized by the armed forces at the Rajpath lawns. The exhibition Shauryanjali is on since the 15th of September. The Prime Minister toured several pavilions depicting scenes, heroes and captured weapons from the enemy. The Battle of Philora was the largest tank battle fought after the Second World War. The bravery and sacrifice of Lieutenant Colonel A.B. Tarapore of the Poona Horse resulted in Indian Army gaining decisively in the Sialkot sector. Prime Minister Modi was suitably impressed at the pavilion depicting the Battle of Asal Uttar in the Western Theatre, which resulted in the graveyard of the Pakistani pattern tanks, which were humbled by the Indian Centurion and Sherman tanks. Over 100 Pakistani pattern tanks were destroyed. The Prime Minister and several cabinet ministers also witnessed the live demonstration of the crossing of the Ichogil Canal by the troops of 3 Jat. Although this was not the way the canal was crossed in 1965, it is a demonstration of modern warfare. The Battle of Dograi is still considered to be the fiercest infantry warfare till date, and the valor of the 3 Jat troops combined with the charisma of Lieutenant Colonel Desmond Hayde resulted in the capturing of Pakistani towns of Dograi, Jalomur and Batapur. The Prime Minister was briefed on all important battles, including the extremely tough capture of the over 8,000 feet high Haji Pir Pass, where the paratroopers of 1st Para, led by Mahavir Chakra Major Ranjit Singh Dayal, climbed 4,000 feet on foot, surviving only on biscuits and damp rations. The Prime Minister also visited the Shastri Hall, built in the memory of the wartime Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. The Prime Minister visited the Air Force and Navy pavilions apart from the live hospital demonstration of the field hospitals. The Holland Gnat aircraft of the Indian Air Force, also known as the Sabre Killer, destroyed the technically superior and bigger Pakistani Sabres. The Prime Minister eagerly interacted with the kin of the martyrs and saluted their courage and bravery. With Sudhir Yadav and Sudhakar Das in New Delhi, this is Nandita Dagar for DD News.